How to enable or disable the edit page in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, launch your DaVinci Resolve project and look at the bottom of the interface where the different pages are displayed like Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. If you don't see the edit page or want to hide it, go to the top menu and click on Workspace. Then select Show Page from the drop-down options. Now you will see a list of all available pages in DaVinci Resolve, including the edit page. To disable or hide the edit page, simply uncheck the edit button. This will remove the edit tab from the bottom bar, giving you a cleaner workspace if you don't need it. If you want to enable it, go to the same workspace and select Show Page menu and check the edit option again. This feature is especially useful if you prefer working with only certain pages and want to keep your layout minimal and focused. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable edit page in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.